Why do some organizations leverage technology to dramatically outperform competitors, while others see little improvement despite adopting the same tools? Why is it that simply adding machines, AI, or automation does not automatically generate strategic advantage? The answer lies in machine augmentation, which is the deliberate integration of technology to extend human capability rather than replace it. Machines amplify speed, scale, and analytical capacity, but their real power is realized only when embedded in strategic systems, aligned with objectives and combined with human judgment. In this video, you will learn the strategic logic of machine augmentation, why it shifts advantage instead of creating value on its own, and how organizations can harness technology to multiply impact while preserving human insight. Stay with us until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. 1. Machines multiply human capability. Machine augmentation is not about replacing human judgment, creativity, or strategic thinking. Instead, it amplifies the capacity of individuals and teams. By automating repetitive tasks, processing data faster, and providing predictive insights, machines allow humans to focus on higher-order activities that create value. Advantage emerges because organizations that combine human insight with machine efficiency can make better decisions faster than competitors relying solely on human or machine effort. Misuse occurs when machines are treated as substitutes rather than amplifiers. 2. Augmentation requires strategic alignment. Machines are powerful tools, but without alignment to organizational goals, they produce activity without impact. Machine outputs must feed into decision frameworks, processes, and priorities that reflect strategic intent. Advantage emerges when machines are applied selectively to amplify the actions and processes that matter most, ensuring that technological leverage is directed toward high-value objectives rather than diffuse activity. Misaligned augmentation risks accelerating errors or irrelevant outputs. 3. Speed and scale are amplifiers, not solutions. Machine augmentation increases the speed and scale of operations, analysis, and decision-making. However, speed and scale alone do not create strategic advantage. Machines must be applied in contexts where rapid execution or large-scale processing reinforces strategic goals. Advantage arises when organizations identify leverage points, prioritize high-impact areas, and use machines to accelerate outcomes that humans could not achieve at the same scale, rather than merely increasing throughput. 4. Feedback loops transform capability into advantage. The power of machine augmentation lies in continuous learning and adaptation. Machines can process real-time data, identify trends, and generate insights, but these outputs only translate into advantage when embedded in feedback loops that inform human decision-making and operational adjustments. 5. Human judgment determines direction. Machines provide analytical power, pattern recognition, and execution capacity, but they do not determine priorities, trade-offs, or long-term strategy. Human judgment remains central to guiding machine augmentation. Advantage arises when humans interpret outputs, make contextually informed decisions, and align machine activity with strategic objectives. 6. Integration prevents fragmentation. Many organizations adopt multiple technologies independently, creating fragmented systems and disjointed outputs. Machine augmentation is most effective when machines, processes, and human workflows are integrated into coherent systems. Advantage emerges when technology, people, and processes operate in alignment, producing coordinated outcomes across teams and functions rather than isolated efficiency gains that do not translate into strategic impact. 7. Augmentation enhances learning and innovation. Machine augmentation accelerates learning by providing rapid analysis, simulations, and predictions. Organizations can test scenarios, measure outcomes, and iterate faster than ever before. Machines amplify the rate of experimentation, but innovation still depends on human insight, creativity, and strategic interpretation. 8. Machines amplify leverage points. Not all activities produce equal value. Machine augmentation is most effective when applied to high-leverage tasks that influence multiple outcomes or produce systemic impact. Machines can automate low-impact tasks, but their strategic value comes from focusing on areas that magnify effect across the organization. 9. Misapplication creates illusions of advantage. Organizations often adopt machines expecting automatic transformation. Without strategic alignment, integration, and disciplined execution, machine augmentation can create the illusion of improvement while delivering little actual advantage. Speed, scale, or data processing may increase, but outcomes remain unchanged if machines are not directed toward meaningful goals. 10. Sustainable advantage requires human-machine symbiosis. The deepest insight is that machine augmentation is a multiplier of human capability, not a replacement for it. Organizations that integrate machines into decision architectures, execution frameworks, and feedback systems achieve superior speed, scale, learning, and coordination while maintaining strategic coherence. Misuse occurs when machines operate in isolation or without alignment to priorities. Most organizations misunderstand machine augmentation, expecting technology to replace human capability or automatically generate advantage. The real power of machines lies in amplification, extending human judgment, accelerating execution, and enhancing learning. Organizations that integrate machines into structured systems, aligned processes, and strategic frameworks achieve sustainable leverage, converting capacity into measurable impact. If this video helped you understand the strategic logic of machine augmentation, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on strategy, systems, and durable competitive advantage. Thanks for watching, and remember, machines multiply capability, but strategy and judgment determine where that capability matters most.